Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to analyze about two particular stock, which is ACC and Ramco Cement. These two stocks have good potential for the next 3 to 4 months, and this is not a buy call or a sell call. Basically this is just an analysis video as to where you can enter at the best price and probably where you can put the stop loss, the best place to put the stop loss. Pretty much it. Before I explain you the analysis of these two stocks, please make sure to like this video, as my view to like ratio is not that great, so please help me in this. And also a very happy Diwali to you guys, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. On the occasion of Diwali, I have decided to provide an offer for our JFT membership, so please use the code JFT Diwali. You will get 2000 rupees offer, and there is not going to be any offer in the future, so please make use of this offer code and be a part of our community. Thank you so much. Okay friends, so this is the Ramco Cement weekly time frame chart. You can see that there is 3 resistance here, so I'm going to connect these, and what happened is it has nicely broken out of this major resistance, and for almost around 259 days, somewhere around 8 to 9 months, it has been nicely consolidating. And if you look at the daily time frame, it has also broken out of it. Okay, so the good entry point would have been, again if you see, there is a small triangle pattern after the breakout, correct? So the better entry would have been after the breakout, okay, somewhere around this red candle or maybe this green candle, but we did not get this. So any kind of a retrace or a consolidation is a good opportunity for us to get in. If you enter here now, you have to put your stop loss here. So if you are ready for that, you can definitely enter here. Just make sure that your minimal target is double of this. Okay, if this is your stop loss, your target should be this big. Okay, so just randomly I'm saying, this is not the correct target, so just measure your target. If it is 10 rupees, keep 20 rupees as target, first target. Okay, so or you can do another thing, you can invest 20% first, and then when it falls you can invest again 20%, or just in case if it moves up, you can just add 20% again. So I'm not going to give you the exact details, like, because everyone will have a different plan, different risk appetite, different capital, so plan it on your own. I'm just giving you an analysis of where you could enter at this pattern. Okay, so basically this is not a call, this is not a financial advice. I'm not responsible for both your losses and profits. Okay, so this is a good pattern, and just wait for some kind of a consolidation, and I'm sure there could be an opportunity. And the target, I mean, in the long term it is really good, because if you look at the pattern, it has been forming for around 3 years, right? 2018. So the breakout has happened around after 2.5 years, 3 years, and so this is a good pattern. And it has also, after the breakout also, it has nicely consolidated for 8 to 9 months. So there is bullishness, definitely there is some bullishness we can expect after this breakout. Okay, just that the stop loss could be little tricky here. You can put your stop loss either here or here, so it's up to you whether you are going to take the trade here or during the retrace. And again, there is no guarantee that there will be a retrace, so you have to wait, and you have to decide basically. Okay, so another chart that I would like to discuss is ACC. If you look at the weekly time frame chart, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times it has been taking a very good resistance, and beautifully it has broken out of this triangle, this channel pattern. And again there was a consolidation phase. Already this chart has been posted way before the breakout, if you remember, and if you already traded this, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I think we posted it around here. I'm not sure, maybe here also. I think I posted it around here. So it moved very nicely. Let's see how much. So some 17%, which is really good. And after the breakout, so if you just closely watch all the stocks that I discuss in the channel, be it Minda Industries or there is Grandwell, Norton, it has already, many of the stock has given another opportunity. If you just closely watch all the stock that I have discussed in this YouTube channel, you can find multiple trades. So you basically would find multiple trades even after my video, if you just closely have a check on the stocks that I discuss in the channel. Okay, so again, this is again an opportunity after the breakout. So what can happen, some kind of the volumes are pretty low and the green candles are not strong enough. Maybe it could come here, take a retrace and then move up again. So basically, whenever you draw patterns, not necessary that you have to take a trade just because you draw a pattern or just because you put in a lot of work, lot of hours to research and draw patterns. There are times when I research and draw patterns for hours and I still wouldn't take any trade. Same goes for this, both ACC and Ramco Cement. Just because I put it on YouTube doesn't mean that you can blindly buy. If you are doing that, and I don't know what to say, so just be calm, put both the stocks on the watch list, and let's see if there is a better entry point for us, because this is slightly higher. Let's say you are entering here, where could be the stop loss? It is either below the trend line or below this fellow, which is this candle. So yeah, there is an opportunity for sure, because it has come out of a major resistance, meaning that there is no resistance at the top and the sky is the limit. Okay, so, and again, that doesn't mean that it is going to fly in the next 3 weeks or something. It could happen, but always prepare for the worst. If you think and if you expect the minimum, better things will come for us in stock market. Only if we overestimate things, and if we expect too much, things will never go by our expectation. Okay, so yeah, I think these two will play a major role in the next 3-4 months. There could be a really good move you can expect from these couple of stocks. So just put it on your watch list, wait for the right time, and if you make money, please let us know in the comment section. That I would be happy to know. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and please make sure to like this video so that this video will be recommended to many people and they might trade also. So please contribute, and very happy Diwali, guys. I hope you have a very good time this weekend, and see you soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.